People might think it's crazy, but I just purposely chopped the head off of not only this one, a handful of my pepper plants. And that's because these Serrano chilies have a tendency to just grow a very long center stalk and not be very bushy off of the sides. I grow in containers, so I don't want it to get super tall. I want it to have as many branches as possible so it can produce as many flowers as possible. So by cutting the head off, I'm not actually reducing the amount of peppers that I will get from this plant. On the inside of each leaf right there, there's a tiny little leaf coming out, and those are what we call nodes. That is where more branching stems will grow out of the plant. On a tomato, it would be called a sucker. I guess on a pepper, it would be called a sucker too, same as on a cucumber. So, even though I chopped the head off, there are multiple places where new branches can grow. In fact, some are already growing. So, there's one back there, and if you wanted to or needed to, you could propagate these by stripping off all of the bottom leaves and putting them in soil or water. I'm not going to do that because obviously I have an abundance.